What's up? This is Colin from xfaders.com, and I want to walk you through on how to install the Innofader in your Pioneer DDJ-SZ2 and SZ. Alright, the tools you'll need to complete this job is the Innofader Pro 2, the number 4 Pioneer adapter, Crossfader cap, Pioneer bracket, Phillips screwdriver, toothpick, and small flathead screwdriver. The optional items is compressed air and deoxit to clean up the device. Phillips head screwdriver and start to remove the 16 screws holding on the faceplate. Alright, next you'll remove all the potentiometer knobs. Okay, now grab your toothpick and insert it in the base of the fader cap and pry up slightly, and you will be able to remove the center cap of the fader. Afterwards, gently pull up on the fader cap itself to remove it. Now, as you can see, there's still a retainer clip on the fader post. Gently pry it off. And now for another angle. And now you'll complete this procedure for the remaining 3 caps. Alright, grab your toothpick and insert it in the corner of the face, and you should be able to wedge it up to remove it. Now grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 outer screws on the fader. Grab the fader and pull it upward to expose the connector. And gently pry the connector from the crossfader. Now will be a great opportunity for you to wipe the mixer section of the controller, remove any debris or dirt. I use deoxit to clean and lubricate the faders, so if you have a bottle, definitely take the time to do it now. Doesn't require a lot of spray, just a short burst on each one of the up faders. Okay, grab your number 4 adapter for the Innofader Pro 2. Okay, insert your Innofader connector into the Pioneer adapter. And now grab the adapter on the Pioneer and insert it into the adapter. for the Innofader. Grab the bracket to secure the Innofader to the Pioneer frame. Place the bracket over top of the Innofader and secure it in place with the screws provided in the Innofader's box. Seat the fader inside of the mixer temporarily. This will give you an opportunity to test its functionality as well as make adjustments to the fader's cut in and lag. It's important that you make sure none of the wires are crimped or being pinched as you insert it inside of the mixer. Use caution when powering on the mixer as most of the components are still exposed, but now definitely take the time to test out for its full functionality. Once you're done testing the two screws that you removed from the original crossfader, grab those and place them back in the two outer holes. Now double check all your work, and if everything's good, go ahead and grab your faceplate and place it back on the mixer. Grab your Innofader cap and go ahead and place it on top of the post. Make sure it's secure. Now grab your retaining clips for your up faders. Now I chose to insert mine on the right hand side, but I believe you can insert it on the left and it won't make a difference. Okay, grab one of the fader caps, take a moment and examine the bottom of it. You should notice that at the top in this video is slotted. That slotted section should be facing the side where you placed on the retaining clip. Now grab the white retaining clips and take notice to the orientation and gently place them down between each one of the fader caps. Okay, now it's time to grab all of your potentiometer caps and start reinstalling on the mixer. Okay, grab the 16 screws to secure the faceplate to the mixer. Congratulations, you've just installed your new Innofader Pro 2 in your DDJ-SZ and SZ2. Take a moment to test out the fader. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out the website at www.xfaders.com.